So I'm Josh Edwards, and my company is Expedition Contracting, and we are a small commercial contractor in the Phoenix Valley. We do a lot of healthcare work and commercial property management work. We're a general contractor, so we do just about everything under the sun that we can do to make money, I guess is the easiest way to say it. What is one of my favorite things about WorkMax? It would definitely be forms, the forms piece. We're able to build custom forms that the guys can fill out on their phones for everything from billing to, hey, they're doing an estimate and they need to measure up some doors or do something that they would normally do on like a scratch pad. We can build an easy form for them, a customizable form, which and keep it real simple so that everybody sees what they need to see, and the possibilities are endless with the forms because we have control of what we want to say and how we want to say it and how we want to build that form for my business or for our business out in the construction world, which is we as a company are really specialized in what we do in the healthcare industry. So it makes it real simple for that. And then even on like the billing side, like we're able to build a job form, end of the day job form is what we call it. Like, and the guys, they go through and they bill or they write down what they did for the day. Everything from, the timing in, what time they got there, what time they left, who was on the job. If they had any interaction with the client that needs to be written out in the notes, they can do that there. We're just able to customize it for the teams that are out in the field, which has been really helpful for our company.